Thinking narcissism is all about ego and selfies, it is deeper than that. Robert Greene says that we are all born narcissists, diving deep into our own emotions and stories. But when we change our self obsession into the self love, the key tool between that is empathy. And the most powerful person in the room is the person who understands the other person rather than he has a thinking that others understand them. Yeah, one more principle here is, instead of getting the attention, start giving attention to others. Instead of making you know wanting others to make you feel seen, make others feel seen, and you will never find yourself alone in any room you go. Yeah.